Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Ian, Dan, Derek are going to do one more review for you this week. I don't know what it is for you guys, but rum. It's going to be rum. We're going to do some Saint Lucia rum. This comes to us. Somebody sent it to me.
He has no idea. He tried to.
I tried to figure it out. I put it on Instagram hoping they were like, "Oh, you got my product." No. I have so many ways that people try and send me.
Is this the
same place?
They came from the same product. Okay. They came from the same person. That's what I was wondering.
Yeah.
So it's probably a distributor or something. This is Chairman's Reserve Finest Saint Lucia's Spice Original. This is Bounty Saint Lucia Spiced. And while we're doing this, you need to ponder this question. This is funny. What was it? Where the hell did the question go? Somebody didn't Solomon ask it? Cool.
There's a lot of chitter chatter here.
Classic cocktails underrated.
Yeah, which classic cocktail do you think is underrated or just overlooked? Think about that for a minute while we taste this.
Aviation.
Underrated?
It's good. Not much people drink it. It's like one of those.
I agree with that.
Yeah.
I love the aviation.
Yeah, it's a great drink, and I don't think a lot of people order it.
And not a lot of people know about it.
Because it's purple, and they think it's girly and fruity, but it's just delicious.
True. Yeah, it's not
delicately balanced and classic. And
that's why you don't think people...
You
are pretty fucking passionate.
I never see it even on a menu.
They have it at Codex.
Oh, I've seen, I've seen aviation. If
you've seen aviation, you're at a bar that knows how to make
good
cocktails.
ones that are classic, but when they start getting creative on their own, I don't know.
Yeah, they're kind of weird. Yeah, but the aviation's good there.
Aiden said Jack Daniels and pineapple juice.
For a classic cocktail?
I don't really know if that's related to what I said.
Does it have soda in it?
That's like your own thing.
I told you, it's kind of like...
Caramel?
Gross.
I don't know. That one works good with soda.
No, I don't think it's gross.
This one does?
I think it would go.
So you don't like this?
It does. It works good with soda.
It has like a cola flavor to it.
It does. Put it in there.
So Chairman's Reserve.
That's what she said.
Well, that's a rum and coke.
She literally just
I
said
did this.
I
made
I
this.
make some ice cubes.
No, but I can get you some.
It works good with soda.
So odd. Why would you think
Because he doesn't like the taste of it.
Chairman's Reserve. This is the one you don't like?
So he doesn't
Not a huge fan.
Why?
Because it's too sweet. It's like...
How much cubes do you want?
I want...
Is that enough cubes?
Four
That's
fingers.
a fucking load of cubes.
That's good.
That's like 8 fingers.
So it's a spiced rum. Were you falling over?
Spiced like shit.
Oh wait, that's that one. So Dan's not a fan.
It's cinnamon heavy, right?
It is, yes.
It's cinnamon heavy.
It has a little bit of fireball intrigue to it. Wow,
It
that's
does.
a lot of fucking
But it works
product.
pretty good with
It's 1.5 ounces.
But you don't even have a full glass of Coke there. That's how you make a rum and Coke?
Don't be a pussy.
That's how he makes a rum and coke.
That's how we make it here.
Yeah.
Combat Cocktails, rum and Coke. It's rum with
Combat cocktails. Don't
It's
be a puss.
flavored. So let me chase this Bounty here. So this one's okay? Like this one's saying Bounty spiced? Wait, this one tastes like cinnamon. This is cinnamon.
Yeah, he doesn't. See, it's not so bad.
No. I think this is the cinnamon one.
No, that's not the cinnamon. This
What's this taste like?
Are you shitting me? Taste that.
I did. I liked it. We'll try this one.
Oh my god, this tastes like
Try this one.
fucking candy.
Try it.
But in rum and coke, it works.
That's what they like, though. They like the sweet. You gotta remember, Jen has a sweet tooth.
It's really, it's like...
You don't taste cinnamon with that?
But that
I
one
do.
I thought was
It's
sweeter.
this.
No.
That's this.
No.
Guaranteed. Look at
I poured these.
No. Taste that. I already mixed them up on you. That's that one. You tell me which cinnamon that one is.
I'll buy that. No, you're right.
Heard it here first.
But it works in rum and coke, doesn't it?
It works so, doesn't it, Dan? You don't want to admit it. You're so stubborn. He's so stubborn.
For me, it's too sweet.
Well, yeah.
It's Coke!
But I just actually had some.
It's a rum and coke. Rum and cokes are sweet.
Yeah.
We don't drink those.
It's just too sweet for me. It's like cotton
It's not
candy
fucking
sweet.
sweet at all.
Stop
It's full
having
of
your
alcohol.
fucking
Can you not say that's...
Oh my god!
Really?
Calm
You think
down.
that's that powerful?
Yes! It's
Oh my
100%
God.
too powerful.
Hey. No more of your own opinion around here. You don't like that kind of independent thought. It's bullshit.
Stop.
Stop thinking for yourself.
Fucking going downstairs. Fuck this shit.
While you're down there. No, never mind.
While you're done.
You want to pull my pants up for me?
No.
Don't forget to subscribe!
Alright.
Have you guys tried Liquid 43?
This is why people think we're drunk, because you're encouraging them.
Yeah.
We're not a mess.
I'm not a mess. Then again, why do you watch a drinking show? At some point, you're gonna get buzzed. I mean, you're drinking enough, right?
Is this the stuff you're talking about?
Liquor
Somebody asked
43?
about Liquor 43,
Oh, yeah.
but I
We
said
used to
no.
drink a lot of that.
Right?
Yeah, we were
Yeah,
hooked on that for a
somebody's-
long time, weren't we?
Oh.
That was good in everything for a
I
while.
have 2 of these open. There's another one floating around here. I found
I was
out.
good in everything.
Yeah.
It's too sweet.
Let me try that one. Yeah, you're sucking it down. Must taste like Dr. Pepper or something.
I'm trying
Must
to
be
like
pretty
get.
shitty if you keep
Must be
putting it in your mouth.
He's like, "Wah, it's so sweet.
I thought
trying.
what we liked. I thought we liked that one better than the
Bounty?
other one. Yeah, and spice.
Oh,
Rum.
that's gross.
Oh!
You know what that needs? Liquor 43.
Liquor 40 and Coke.
Yeah,
Vanilla
vanilla
Coke?
Coke.
Yeah, I guess.
Was this gross because it's got too much alcohol?
Oh no, there's like a spice in there. It just
She doesn't like that because that's why she doesn't like Rumsons. She doesn't like that because it has that
Oh,
vanilla.
I don't care for Rumsons either.
It has that like vanilla like undertone.
There's something weird
Yeah.
in it.
No, the standard.
I mean, I don't
Rumsons.
mind.
Or is it Rumson Spice?
She doesn't like
I don't like the
Rumsons.
Rumson
Yeah,
spice,
Rumson
but
spice.
I like
The
the
Grand
Rumsons-
Reserve is good.
The
Yeah.
Grand Reserve is okay.
No,
but
yeah,
I like
the
all the
spice.
rest.
Yeah, the spice one has.
It has that
It
like
has a flavor to it I don't like.
because that vanilla gives you that like cotton candy.
Yeah.
It's gross.
Yeah.
Sometimes I mean I like vanilla, I like the taste of vanilla,
Put
but
a little
sometimes.
Liquor 43 there.
Oh yeah, liquor 43 would be good. Oh, that's gonna make it more sweet though.
Oh,
Yeah,
just give me
I
some
will.
more Coke.
It's
You
fine.
need more
It's fine.
Coke.
We got high some
No,
high.
Mexican Coke.
No, it's all gone.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
look at the syrupiness of that thing.
No, well, don't open up
Oh,
another
that's
one.
like-
This is what happens when we let Dan run the show.
You better put more Coke than that.
Okay, I'm not trying
Really?
that now. I was gonna try it, but no, I'm not gonna try it.
Yeah, now that you stuck your tongue in it, I'm not trying it.
Oh, it does taste better.
So you need a
try it.
third component to make the drink taste
That
okay.
has to be more sweet.
Oh, but it tastes good though. It actually balances out that shitty flavor of the rum.
It's cinnamon.
There's like a
Oh, remember?
Yes, it's like yeah.
Derek, I don't know if Dan
I
was
mean, I
here.
like
Remember doing the
cinnamon,
rum and
not so
Coke
much.
taste test? We
Really?
tried a bunch of different rums, and some just don't work with Coke, and some do work with Coke.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah,
Oh,
that-
that's good. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, see, taste that. Now taste that.
It's still too sweet, but it's better.
Jen likes
I
it
liked
sweet.
it with, I think we liked that one, or did we? I think we liked
This
that
one's actually
Not
good.
that one.
I sat down. and
Diva Dan.
Listen,
That's right.
before, in full
I put
disclosure,
my fucking card on whatever I
I don't
want.
like
No
that.
denial there.
Huh?
I don't like that.
in full dis-
Wait a minute. Come here and taste these two. And you okay.
I've
Hold on.
tasted them. I don't like that.
Taste that. Hold on.
in full disclosure, I have
They
sat
love.
on the couch and drank rum and cokes with both of
Now
these.
you don't have to rewind
cool knife.
and pause the video to see.
And I didn't find a
You'll share it
problem.
with me, thanks. I
Yeah.
feel special.
Yeah, you're in. the
No, taste that one.
Thing.
Which you can fucking confusing me with your shit. Now I don't know what I'm drinking.
Hold on.
We haven't talked about this yet, and you're like fucking science projecting this shit out of this.
Yeah, see, that's the one you said that you liked.
Yeah, it's rough. That one's rough, Jen. It's too much.
That's
Oh,
this.
maybe I got them reversed. Maybe I like that one. No, I thought I liked that one better though.
She was drunk at the time.
Of course you were.
So this one goes
I
here.
was. I'm just always drunk.
That one,
I
okay,
have a problem.
okay, okay,
First
all
step
right,
submitting it.
okay.
That's right. That's how I get better.
Chairman's Reserved Spice Rum. People are having a hard time with this.
Yeah.
So
What do you think? I give it a.
it doesn't.
It's unique.
So it doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me,
It doesn't bother me. Yeah.
but it
No,
does
it's
have some
substance.
echoes of Fireball flavor to it, like that cinnamon.
Yes.
Do
You
it-
know what you could do?
I
That
don't.
would probably actually make it a really good, like, eggnog. Like
Oh.
holiday.
Yeah, because it's got the
With a lot of
cinnamon.
Do you have
Yeah.
another St.
Just
Lucian
add
rum?
nutmeg. You
No.
could do like
No.
I-
eggnog.
Because I'm wondering if there's something stylistically
yeah,
about the St.
yeah.
Lucian rum that you don't like.
But
versus-
it's a
it's not a
spice.
brand, but it's a.
It's a
Yeah, but,
spice rum.
these are both spiced though.
They're both
Right.
spiced.
They're both
Are they
spice.
St. Lucian? Both St. Lucian. I
They're
mean,
both
Yes.
Saint Lucia.
The
Oh
company
yeah,
is
see,
St. Lucian.
infusion of vanilla and cinnamon
Fine, St.
with
Lucian.
That's the one that doesn't
macerated
have a lot of
bark
cinnamon.
of something.
Yeah, that one is cinnamon.
What is that word?
That doesn't have a lot of cinnamon to it.
Oh,
If you mix
No,
I don't know,
Grand
Richeria?
Reserve is cinnamon.
and cinnamon. Vanilla,
That
cinnamon, and macerated bark of Rahira. I don't know what that is.
Can we talk about-
It's locally known as Wabanda.
you're using weird words. That
There's weird words on the label.
so that one, looking at
Are
the
you
bounty,
speaking English, Ian?
that one, this here,
You don't need to swig out of that.
it's just
Dan,
diabetes.
knock it off.
6:30 in the morning, Dan.
Yeah. Morning comes really early, Dan. Stop.
You got to drive ahead of you.
That's okay. I'm not afraid.
Wait, who's driving?
Dan.
Oh, that's bullshit.
That's
He never lets me drive.
Just let her
Never,
drive.
unless,
Then you can drink.
unless he's about to die.
I let her drive all the time. I don't want anything to do with it. She can drive. I don't care.
He doesn't like being.
How old's
driving.
Tyler now? When's he driving?
Why? What's
3
wrong?
years from now.
Yeah.
Control
He's
thing?
not
Is it a
allowed to
control
go.
thing?
3 years, you said?
3 years.
I
Yeah, let's do
Jalita,
it.
He's
Wow.
tall enough you can probably.
I drive in your
Pass him.
passenger seat.
That's true.
Thank you. Dan will not.
No. Let's talk about this for 5 seconds.
Okay.
Because we've all established that you don't like that one. Jalita hates it too.
I think we
Well,
know.
but listen. I
But
think
it's good
there's
in
a
eggnog.
place for it.
There-
I bet
it's
you
just
could
not-
Like some sort of
Yeah, at
holiday.
the bottom of your bar.
Spice rum is tough to deal with because everybody comes up with what they want their
Spice,
impression of
yeah.
spice to be,
yeah,
right?
no.
This is their recipe. Unlike rum, where
I
you pull
get
it
it.
off and you're like, "This is rum." If it tastes bad, I fucked up. With spice rum, you're like, "This is what I'm going for." I'm like going for this specific unique flavor.
There's a
And somebody
creative
likes it.
aspect to
Yeah.
distillation
Right.
and to curating your
Yeah.
liquor.
It's like a recipe.
Cinnamon,
Yeah.
yeah.
This one tastes more like rum,
There is like an apple cocktail.
right?
You got a
That one tastes more like rum.
That has like.
Has rum and vanilla.
Really?
That's what I get out of that. Oaky,
Yeah, I must
rum,
say
vanilla.
Yeah.
That's not spice to me.
Do that.
Yeah.
But I like it. It's just not, it doesn't have the spice flavor. It's missing the spices that make it unique and stand out.
Dan, that's the apple cocktail thing we made where we had to add cinnamon to it with
Boom.
the rum. I bet you could make with that rum.
There you go. Aiden
That,
made a
remember with
request.
the apple
You could do
juice?
that. You could make that.
Yeah. So there's a place for it. Let's not totally throw it away.
We have to make that for Aiden. Alright.
All right.
So that is, so if you had to pick between, I don't remember, the brands are in the title,
that
but
went
I'll
off the
read them
rails.
back to you. Chairman's Reserve Spice or Bounty Spice, go with Bounty.
That train has left the station.
Bounty is
And left the
the one to
tracks.
go for.
That's okay. I mean, you might like it. You can try it.
Well, yeah, it all depends what you like.
Yeah, it all depends what you like.
Taste is subjective.
I'm 1 out of 3. So you guys have your own opinions.
It's red.
It's not my fault they're wrong, but it's fine.
It is cinnamon forward.
Yeah.
Also, sidebar, more videos. We'll do some reviews in there, some rum stuff.
That's good.
Down below, bartender starter kit. Help support Derek and buy some stuff from AwesomeDrinks.com.
Who produced this?
This was produced. Fuck, I was supposed to. This is produced by Colin Olson. I will have your producer notes. In the beginning. It'll be someplace else because this is a sidebar and I can't do anything about it now. But you will already have got your creds, Colin. So thank you for your support out on patreon.com/CMC. That is it, my friends.
Done.
We're teaching you how to drink.